How to change fonts in Roblox. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change your fonts in Roblox. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to this website right here called thefont.com, or you can go over to any website where you can download fonts, right? So let's say this is the font that we want, so we just simply click on the download button and download the font. We open it up right here, and this is the font right here, right? And now what we want to do is we want to go over here and search for Roblox. We want to search for Roblox player right here, and then we want to go into open file location, and then we want to right click and go over to file location because this is a shortcut. Now once we're over here, we're going to go into content and right here go into fonts, scroll down, and we want to find this one right here called source pans, regular, bold, all of these, right? So let's go ahead and open up the other folder where we have the other fonts, and we'll just simply copy them right here, and then we'll just simply delete them as well. Now what we want to do is we want to copy these as many times as we have these ones. So we have 5 times. We want to copy and paste this font right here for 5 times. Also, we are looking for this one right here. So let's just copy this one and paste it. We'll paste it right here, paste it again. It's not letting me, so we'll just rename it to 2, 1, and 5. Once we have all 5, now what we need to do is we need to first copy the name of this one, and we'll just simply paste the name. We want to make sure that the names match, all right? And do the same for the rest ones as well. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. Now we'll just simply play Roblox. We'll open it up and see how it looks like. But yeah, as you can see right here, fonts generally look different. They're bolder now as well. And as you can see, the fonts have changed. Before it was different, now it is. So that is how you do it. That is how you change fonts in Roblox.